How to fix movie sound problem on Telegram app. So if you want to fix your movie sound problem on Telegram app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store and then go with search. And from search, you need to search for Telegram. Now, after searching for Telegram, if you have any updates on your Telegram application, then just simply go and update it. Now, after updating your Telegram, you need to make sure that your volume slider is up to the top. After that, you need to search for the Telegram application, tap and hold on to your Telegram, go with the app info. From there, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, you can also go with your permissions, and under permissions, make sure that you allow the permission of microphone, camera, phone, photos and videos. And after that, you can just simply go and restart your device. And here under not allowed, I have music and audio permission. So if you also have selected don't allow, then you might find this kind of problem. So just simply go and allow the music and audio access, and that's it. Go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.